Hi all, so this is my first video for installing Fortinet. So if you'll see, this is my lab where I have just installed new Fortigate image. And how I did, I will tell you how you can also do this, like install. So for iOS you have to go on that Fortigate support site. Here you have to create the your account, and you need to log in, and then you have to download the iOS. Once like you download the iOS, then you have to select, go on EVE-Ng. So in EVE-Ng, like you have to log in with your EVE-Ng password, EVE-Ng username. So here we will take that IP and we will connect that EVE-Ng to our local system using BNCP. So we can do the copy. We can copy the iOS. So once you will see this, you need to copy that iOS. You have to select. Sorry, you need to copy that IP address. Then you have to select as SCP, and then you have to give the root password. And here your password will be EVE, and then you can log in. Once you will log in, so you have to go on the root, click on the root, then make it bigger first. Then you have to go in options, and then you have to select EVN lab. Then you have to click on add-on, then your key iOS. So under this you have to go on under this path, and then you have to copy your iOS here. So for copying the iOS, you need to like follow certain things, like you have to go on this site. Here you will learn how the format of the iOS, what should be the, and the format of the folder, what should be. If you will not like make this, then it will not work. So here you have to make your folder name like this, then you have to end your folder name like this and image name like this, and then you can copy this iOS to your this folder. Once the iOS is copied, then you can close your BNCP. Then you can go here and then add node, and here you have to select FortiGate. So he earlier, when you not copied that iOS, it will show like this. You will not allow anything. Once iOS is copied, it will show something in green. So you have to select this. It will show everything here. Your RAM will be there, and how many Ether channel will be there, and CPUs and all the things. Once everything looks fine for you, you can save this. Then it will show here one one node. Here it will be connected. Okay, so here I have connected this firewall to one of the management. So management is nothing but here I have given like pnet I have configured, and I have given that management cloud. So it will take one pass IP address from our local laptop, so we can use GUI with the help of that, and then we can save it and connect here. After that, as I said, like we will log in, we will take the console. How to take is like you have to click here, double click, and then it will ask. Okay, once sorry, once you it will show prompt like this. You need to log in here with your admin password. First time if you will log in, it will take admin and no password. I system interfaces uh, interface. So here you can see port 1 is used for management, and it is taking the IP from the DSCP pool. So take that this one and do HTTP from your local laptop. So I did the local from the local laptop, that same HTTP. So it will give like this prompt, and you need to give that same password admin and no password. Here I have changed the password, so I have given that admin password. Otherwise it will take admin and password will be nothing. And when you hit enter, you have to click enter. It will pop like this one. You have to select later. You don't require anything. Click here, okay. So this is your dashboard. From dashboard you can see everything. This is first point of like visibility. When you log in GI, here you will see the host name, serial number, firmware, and mode of that FortiGate, and the system uptime. Everything it will show here. So from here we will do all the configuration and setup. Everything will be done from here. Okay. So this is just, and if you want take the CLI from here, you can use this one. Click it here, it will log in here. You can put get system interface, so it will give you the all the neighbor. It will give the neighbor. So I have established two neighbor. It will show like two neighbors. Okay, so this was the just uh, first installation of FortiGate firewall. So hope you like that video. We will configure each and everything and in our next video. Thank you for watching.